Welcome back to Boss Lady Lounge, where we elevate, educate, and motivate. I'm Ms. D with my girl Keena, and today we are showing you how to make your very own CBD oil for pain relief safely, naturally, and right at home. Whether you're managing joint pain, inflammation, or just want to relax, this easy DIY recipe is for you. So let's get started. You'll need 1 ounce of CBD-rich hemp flower, 1 cup of olive oil or MCT coconut oil, a baking tray, parchment paper, and a slow cooker or double boiler. Make sure your hemp flower is legal in your state and under 0.3% THC. To activate the CBD, we'll decarboxylate the hemp. Preheat your oven to 230 degrees Fahrenheit or 110 degrees Celsius. Break your flour into small pieces, spread them evenly on parchment paper, and bake for about 45 minutes. You'll know it's ready when it turns slightly golden and smells earthy. This step transforms inactive CBDA into active CBD, the powerful compound that helps reduce pain and inflammation. Alright, now it's time to infuse. Go ahead and combine your decarbed hemp and olive oil in your slow cooker or double boiler. Set the heat to low, somewhere around 160 to 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and let it simmer for about 2 to 3 hours. This slow extraction, y'all, really draws the CBD and other healing cannabinoids right into the oil. Be sure to stir it occasionally and never let it boil. Slow and steady truly makes the best medicine. When it's done, just let the oil cool down a bit. Next, use a cheesecloth or a fine strainer to separate the plant material from the oil. Store your CBD oil in a dark glass bottle and keep it in a cool, dark place. It'll last up to 6 months or even longer if you keep it refrigerated. And that's it. Your homemade CBD oil for pain relief is ready. You can use a few drops under your tongue, add it to your lotion, or even mix it into your tea. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone who's looking for a little natural pain relief. Remember, take care of your body and it'll take care of you. See you next time on Boss Lady Lounge.